It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow. The wise men follow the star, the way I follow my heart, and it led me to a miracle. Hey love, don't you buy me nothing.
No man, chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah man, the nigga put in the work, and when he just start up, everybody I look down upon him like say him then I go make it. You see me? Real youth know what you want. Remember when he just start out, everybody a laugh of time. Everybody in the kitchen a laugh of time.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. You know, back with another video, as would I say, another day, another dollar out here, what they are doing. So we are introduced to, you know, Jamaican Master Chef. What Jamaican Master Chef goes, people? We have Jamaican top cooks. You get me? And we're gonna drop them garnish dish right down there, so garnish dish. So we're now gonna vote on the dish. Get me? People, the winner of the competition get the title of Jamaican Master Chef. Yeah. So otherwise from that first place, $500. 5,000. Now get me mistaken, not 500. 5,000 people that digital or flow credit of your choice. Second place, 2,500. Third place, $1,000. So we put it in a phone and people. So just comment and vote on the dish. Phone favorite dish, people. From the top, let's go.
Gotta say it.